We're at Higgins Point. There's a service truck here, but there's no vehicles allowed up here. This is Higgins Point. It's a fun little place to go biking, hiking. This is just a big knob of a hill that sticks up on the northeast end of Lake Coeur. You can see it's just absolutely beautiful today, even though it's overcast. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of it because I love it up here. Unfortunately, this little end piece of land here was basically stolen through eminent domain because there used to be a family that owned this. And when they put the highway in, they took it from them. I'm not really a big fan of eminent domain, but I tell you, it sure is a blessing to have it. So that's Higgins Point. Kind of a beautiful little place. There's docks all the way around it. So I'll show some more here in a minute.